What's going on, my party people? Y'all already know it's hashtag brick by brick. I started. I'm gonna did my little collection video. If you haven't checked it out, go back and check them out. Taking a little bit of break today. I guess I done fell off the wagon a little bit because I was gonna try to get out the rest of the year with only 4 more cards, but look like that's gonna be an epic fail. So may need to start some type of intervention for people who have problems with copping all these shoes. Go ahead and grab up my family. I already know PMKICKZ, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF. We also got Who Has the Heat tomorrow, 901's Fires Kick. Go check him out, as well as Hop Dog. Gonna be a dope battle. Gonna be a little bit later. Gonna be 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's all over IG if you need a reminder. Welcome all my family members and friends. We making this move to 5K, so spread the word. Trying to grow this channel. You feel me? Now, this is a steal, a deal. This shoe just came out about a month ago, and it's already on sale. I had to get it. Every time I kept going to the store, it kept calling, E-money, buy me. So I broke down today and bought it. Black metallic silver 10 Air Jordan 13. Suggested retail price 200 of them things. It ain't gonna be no intro, no outro. We just jumping straight with it. You already see got that blue on there. I like it. Call them something similar like that Tiffany blue. And the receipt on deck. What is that? What I paid? $135. That's right down my alley right there. $135 discount on deck. Got this paper. I just like this shoe because it's different. It's not like your typical Jordan, and wow, it's not like your typical Jordan, right? And most of this part right here, you just slap different colors, but it's a little bit different. Got all these done shadows, but as you can see, underneath, still got the price tag on it. $200. Got your herringbone traction. You know the 13s, right? Panther. All of that good stuff. Sorry, I got all the shadows. You can see your Jumpman. You can see it right there. Nice materials there. Got your Jordan 13 underneath. Nice tumble rumble there. Look how the metallic pop out at you. Bam! Nice tumble rumble there. Coming around. As you can see here, I like this part here. Normally you got the I think that's the part of the paw. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this kind of looks like Tiffany blue if you ask me. You got a little bit of, what's the name right there as you can see. But not too bad. 23 instead of the eye. And that's what the eye is, don't have a hologram, but it got like a plate, which is dope with the 23 in it. Come around the back. Very, very dope shoe in my opinion. No whiskers and all of that stuff on this shoe. Just kind of remind me if I was going on a picnic, I guess that's what it remind me of, a picnic basket. But I don't ask me how I come up with that, but a island green for the steel. That's what I think. Steel and deal. Production date on these joints. 4/16 to 7/19/19. Got your shoe tree. This was the last one. I was lucky. In this size 10, I went true to size. Been perfect for me. As you can see, 10 and a half. And you see inside, got that Tiffany green, all of that good stuff. So you let me know, was it worth the price of getting this shoe? You think it was a dope shoe? Or you think it was a waste of money? Another look. Part of my steal and deal. So like I said, thank you for supporting my channel. Thanks for all the love and support. Tell a family member or friend. Our next giveaway will be sometime later in the month. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out.